Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I enclosed or how I fill these letters or this word love with this image flower, So I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So let me just scroll to another page. So what I'm going to do first is that I'll go and get the love flower that I want to use in my element. And if you have it in your gallery, you don't need to get it, but I'm getting it from my element here, and this is it here, love flower. So let me show you its name in case you want to replicate it. You want to also do it, red rose flower. So once I have the image here, what I'm going to do next is to scroll to herbs in Canva. You're going to scroll below as we have element, we have text, we have project. So you're going to scroll till you get this herbs in Canva. So once you get there, you are going to click on the search bar. So once you click, after clicking on the search bar, you're going to search for what? Font frame. Search for font frame. So that is exactly what you are going to search for. You're going to search for what? Font frame. Let us wait till it's loaded. It is loading it already. Okay, this is it here. So this is the font frame we are talking about. This is the font frame. So what I'm going to do is to click on it. So once I click on the font frame, the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this flower here. So once I click on the flower, I'm going to scroll up this. I'm going to use this to scroll this font frame up. After clicking on the flower, I'm going to scroll it up. So after scrolling it up, what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to input. If I want to input love, I'm going to scroll up till I get to this text here. So it is love that I want to input. If I want to change my text to what? Dash. So you can see, you are going to see the dash here. You can see it, but I want to use love. So we are using love here. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So I'm going to cancel it and click on what? And input love. So that is the text we are going to use. So the next thing for me to do now, after selecting that image, I'm going to click on what? Use selected image. Use selected image. If you have the image you want to use in your gallery before, you are just going to click on what? Choose fine. But if you are using the image in this design, which is the flower that I'm using that I got from the element, I'm going to click on what? Use selected image, and I've clicked on the image. You must click on the image before it can show you the clear of this use selected image. So you can see that what? I've clicked on the image here. So if you should check it, you will see that what? I've clicked on the image here. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm just going to click on the font something. So once I click on it, I want to show you again. So I'm coming. So I'm just going to click on the image. So once I click on the image, I'm going to scroll up and do what? And once I scroll up, I'm going to click on what? Use selected image. So once I click on the use selected image, so you can see it is going to change it for me. Image. So the next thing I'm going to do is that the meaning of this image scale is that how you want the image that you use, how you want it to be in this text. Like if I want to change the part it is now, I'm just going to use this place to drag it. So once I drag it like this, you can see the part is going to change, but that's not how I want to do it. I want it to be as it is. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to setting. So the setting, you'll be able to change the font you use. So if you want to change your typeface, maybe you want to change it for popping to another, you're just going to click on this arrow and change it to anyone you want to change it to. You can see here, so I'm using popping, so that is popping. If you want to change the alignment from being at the left alignment to be at the right alignment, the left to the right, so I'm just going to do it like this. You can see how it is. So that's exactly how we are going to do it. So you can see it. So that's exactly how we are going to do it. So the outline thickness, you can see that the thickness of the outline is not that much. You can see, you can just increase it. You can see the outline. You can just do it. You can just reduce it. So we also have the letter spacing here, which is 50, the space that you want it to be between the letters. So you can see it. I've just increased this spacing. You can see if you want the line spacing to increase or reduce, so you can see that is exactly how it is going to be. So that is it about just something. So once you are done setting everything, the image, everything, the next thing you are going to do is to click on what? Add to design. So once you click on add to design, it is going to paste it. You can see it is going to be, I'm just going to scroll this down and you're going to have it here. You can see this is the image. You can see that we now have it here. So that is exactly how it should be. So you can see it. So that is how to do it. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and let me know what you learned in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video. Anyways, I'm the designer that designs and makes money with Canva using my smartphone. Let me teach you how to do it.